Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic Lumix DC-FZ80 camera and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues where this camera is not working right, it's not connecting to things, whatever, just whatever reason where it's not doing what you think it should be doing, a hard reset can sometimes fix these issues. The other reason is, there's a whole bunch of settings on here. And you can try to undo them manually, but if you just want to get a fresh start, go back to the way it was when it came out of the box. It's super easy to do on here. We're just going to do it straight from the menu, so it's only just a couple button pushes. All you need to do is go to the menu, and then from the menu you're just going to select the setup, and then from setup you'll hit the wrench icon, setup wrench, and then from there you'll just select reset. So it's really as simple as that. Hit the menu button, select setup wrench option, and then select reset, and everything on it will be reset back to the way it was when it came out of the box.